Hello students, I am Charu Gupta. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter of Mathemagic. The name of the chapter, The Parts and Whole. In this video, I will start with overview about fractions. So let's start. First, the competencies of these chapters are knowledge, understanding, comparison, conversion, and problem solving ability. So, these are some competencies related to this chapter. Now, next is target learning outcomes. So, after finishing this chapter, you will be able to identify fractions and understand the fraction. Next, you can know different types of fraction and you can convert from improper fraction to mixed fraction and from mixed fraction to improper fraction. And now you can also generate equivalent fraction to a given fraction. And next you can compare of fraction with same denominator or with same numerator. And next is reciprocals. So these are some target learning outcomes related to this chapter. Now next is and main part is what is a fraction. So a fraction is a part of a whole or part of a group. Okay? A fraction is a part of a whole or part of a group. Now, the number in the form A upon B, or we can say A by B. A upon B is called fraction. Okay? For example, here you can see a whole circle and the whole circle is divided into two equal parts. So each part is 1/2 of 8. Means 1/2 and 1/2. Complete is 1 and these are its two parts. So one is half and second is also half. And in next you can see the whole circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So each part is 1/4 of this circle. 1/4, 1/4. 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So this is an common and very easy example of fraction. Now some real life examples related to fractions are equal slices of pizza. I think आप सभी ने पिज़्ज़ा देखा होगा. So जो पिज़्ज़ा की इक्वल स्लाइसेस होते हैं लाइक दिस, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल पार्ट ऑफ फ्रूट, equal part of cake and a bar of chocolate. Okay? Now note, this is very important. When the parts of the whole are unevenly divided, they do not form fraction. As this is a whole circle and this is an part. And you can say this part is smaller than this part, means uneven division, so there is no fraction. Same as here in this figure, this is a triangular figure and here two division and both division, sorry, there is a three division and both division are unequal, so there also no fraction. Okay, now next is fraction notation. As you can see, the fraction has two parts, a upon b. So, the number on the top of the line is called numerator. The number on the top of the line is called numerator. And the number below the line, is called denominator. Okay, and we can simply learn this like b is a down part, so d for denominator, so down part is denominator. Okay, now example, here you can see this is a chocolate bar which is divided into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 is denominator, and one part, if this we are taking out this part from this chocolate, then this part is 1 by 6. Okay, so here 1 is numerator and 6 is denominator. Now note one thing, in a upon b means in a fraction, b means denominator cannot be 0, because if it is 0 then the fraction will not be defined, as we cannot divide anything by 0. Okay, like 2 is upon 0 is infinite, finite means not defined. Okay, now next is types of fraction. So here first type of fraction is like fraction. So like fraction are those where denominator are same. So you can see here easily denominator of both of all fractions are same, so means these fractions are like fractions. Next is unlike fraction. So unlike fractions are those where denominator are not same. You can see here easily denominator not same, so this is an example of unlike fraction. Number next is unit fraction. So fraction with numerator as 1 are called unit fraction. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 8 and 1 by 12. In all there is a numerator is 1. So these are example of unit fraction. Next is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. Here 3 upon 4, 3 is less than 4. 6 upon 9, 6 is less than 9. 5 upon 11, 5 is less than 11. 3 upon 7 and 3 is less than 7. So these are example of proper fraction. Now improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, and equal to denominator, greater than and equals to denominator, like 8 upon 7, 8 is greater than 7, 11 upon 5, 11 is greater than 5, 13 upon 7, 13 is greater than 7, 9 upon 2, 9 is greater than 2, and 7 upon 7 can be an example. 7 and 7 are equal. So improper, these are example of improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. When an improper fraction is written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, it is called mixed fraction. Now you can see here 1 is a whole value, whole number, and 2 upon 7 is a proper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. 1 whole 3 by 5, 1 is a whole number and 3y is a proper fraction. So 1 whole 3 by 5 is an example of mixed fraction. Okay. Now next is reciprocal. Sorry. The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator. It means if we interchange the numerator and denominator, then the fraction became reciprocal. Just like in a fraction 7 upon 8, and 7 is numerator and 8 is denominator. So if 8 become numerator and 7 become denominator, means 8 upon 7 became the reciprocal. And note, it is also called a multiplicative inverse, means reciprocal and multiplicative inverse are same. So it's all about overview of chapter 4. Thank you.